Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop channel for making wise purchasing decisions. Today, we have a face-off that's hotter than a freshly extruded filament. It's the Sovol SV06 versus the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. Are you ready for some 3D printing madness? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about price. The Sovol SV06 comes in at a wallet-friendly $249, while the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M will set you back a cool $399. That's a $150 difference. With that extra cash, you could buy a ton of filament, or maybe a fancy dinner to celebrate your new printer. If you have any friends left after bragging about your 3D prints. Now, on to print speed. The Sovol SV06 can go up to 150 millimeters per second after a firmware upgrade. That's like upgrading your grandma's tricycle to a sports bike. But hold your extrusions, because the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M zooms ahead with a staggering 600 millimeters per second. It's like comparing a snail to a cheetah on Red Bull. If you're in a hurry to print your next masterpiece, or just impatient, FLASHFORGE has you covered. All right, let's level the playing field, literally. Sovol SV06 boasts a 25-point auto leveling system, ensuring a smooth start for your prints. It's like having a personal butler for your 3D printer. Meanwhile, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M offers full auto one-click leveling. No fuss, no muss. Just click and print. It's the lazy person's dream. And who doesn't want to be lazy? Next, we have the extrusion system. Sovol SV06 features a Planetary dual-gear direct drive, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. It promises more accurate extrusion, perfect for those intricate prints. On the other hand, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M has a nozzle with a flow of 32 cubic millimeters per second and 50 W heating power, heating up to 200 in just 35 seconds. It's like comparing a precision scalpel to a flamethrower. Both have their perks depending on your printing style. When it comes to build volume, the Sovol SV06 offers a respectable 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters. It's like having a decent-sized backyard for your printing garden. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M doesn't specify the exact volume here, but it supports PLA, PETG, TPU, and even PLA CF, PETG CF with different nozzles. It's like having a Swiss Army knife of materials at your disposal. Versatility, anyone? Last but not least, let's talk about those extra bells and whistles. The Sovol SV06 comes with a self-developed 32-bit silent board, making it quieter than a Ninja Cat. Plus, it has PEI build plate for easy print removal. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, however, has a filament run-out sensor and power loss recovery. Imagine printing halfway through a 20-hour job and the power goes out. With FLASHFORGE, no worries. You can resume right where you left off. It's like having a time machine, but for your prints. Summarizing the reviews, users appreciate the Sovol SV06 for its affordability, excellent print quality, and ease of use. However, some have noted issues with customer service and part durability. On the other hand, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is praised for its high speed, ease of use, and versatility with different filaments, although some users have experienced minor firmware freezes and touchscreen sensitivity issues. So there you have it, folks. The Sovol SV06 and the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, each with their own unique strengths. If you're on a budget and want a reliable printer, the Sovol SV06 is your go-to. But if speed and advanced features are what you're after, then the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M might just be worth the splurge. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Buy smart. Product links are in the description.